Hi guys, we're taking a look at my new Orolay women's winter ski jacket. This is a super waterproof, warm snow jacket. I have it in the red color. There is 2 other variations, so if you check out their listing. And I'm rocking it in the size large. I usually wear size medium and sized up. Given with winter stuff, normally you end up having a couple layers. So what I love about the jacket is it has a ton of pockets placed throughout it, so lots of places to put your goodies when you're out in the snow. It has a earphone strap, inner zipper pockets, a powder skirt, mesh pockets on the inside, and a super warm fleece lining. Plus, as you can see, a super flattering cut and fit, which is ideal if you want to wear it on the streets as well as on the ski hill. Love it's got some little vents at the side too if you need to air out your pits to get a bit more breathability, and it just looks super cute on. Definitely check it out.